Hello friends, how are you all? I hope fine. So as you know, here is a problem in Neutrino Plus. So a lot of people asking me to make a video in English. That's why I make a video in English. So as you know, here is a problem in Neutrino Plus, and the problem is if we order a followers in Neutrino Plus, the followers is not increasing. If we order a likes in Neutrino Plus, likes not increases. People asking me to make a video in this topic. So let's check it out and open Neutrino Plus. Okay, so I open Neutrino Plus. So let's redeem energy. Get once, crystal diamond. So let's see. First of all, if you want to increase likes in photo, you need to click on that photo. So I want to increase likes in this photo. How much likes? So 10 likes, for example, 10 likes. I'm increasing in this photo. Okay, let's check if it's working or not. Okay, so please wait. We are always waiting. So as behind something went wrong. So what is the problem? So you need to understand. First of all, if you use Neutrino Plus old version, okay, then you need to download new Neutrino Plus. Okay, if you use old version of Neutrino Plus, you need to download new version. It's available. Okay. The second is you need to go setting, then you need to click on, okay, as you see this. Okay, so you need to log out and log in. Okay, so I'm going to log out then log in. I will show you. Let's skip video. So I log in again, and again I want to increase likes in this photo. Okay, so open a picture. Okay, I want to increase likes in this picture. Number one. Okay, so how much likes? So 12 likes enough. 10 likes. Okay, last one is 10 likes. So click on OK. Something went wrong plus about via application, so you need to email it. Okay, first of all write to us. If you use email or Gmail, you need to click on Gmail. Okay, so from there you need to describe your problem. What is the problem in your Neutrino Plus? So describe here. Type my Neutrino Plus not working. Likes not creating. Please fix it. Then send it. So type your problem and send it to pokebub@gmail.com. So if you reply your message and what they want and what their opinion. So first of all, I request to Pokebub. So they replied me that we are working to fix this. So please, from now to then you need to use our another app so named Hike Topless. So they recommended me to use Hike Topless, and we are working to fix Neutrino Plus lags problem. So I'm also using Hike Topless. So it's also best for increasing likes and followers for Instagram. So if it's not working, so please use hike topless. If it fixed, so then I will make a video in this topic. So I hope you enjoy the video, so please click like button, and also don't forget to subscribe, and also please comment me if you have any problem related technical topics, technologies, then you can tell me that I will make a video in this topic. So okay, bye. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Okay, bye, take care.